Alors c'est avec un grand plaisir que je vous retrouve sur Gascarian Channel une nouvelle fois. Alors cette fois-ci ça sera dans Woman on Top. Ça fait vraiment longtemps qu'on n'a pas continué la série de Woman on Top. Je pense que la dernière fois c'était Men on Top et on avait Aaron en parle. Donc là ça va être la 4e émission de Woman on Top. Et aujourd'hui on va avoir la jante féminine comme invitée. Nous allons donc avoir Michou de la chaîne Michou, bien entendu. Michou habite à Hawaï et voilà, donc dans cette émission on va avoir donc un interview exclusive de Michou. Voilà, elle va nous parler un tout petit peu de qui elle va se présenter, de qu'est-ce qu'elle fait dans sa chaîne, de qu'est-ce qu'elle présente sur sa chaîne et ainsi de suite. Et voilà, j'espère que vous allez aimer. Tout de suite sur Gascarian Channel.
Hello everyone. So first off, I just wanted to say thank you to Gascarian Channel for featuring me once again in her channel. Thank you, Tahir. So who am I? My name is Tumuina Nirina Hajliva Andriana Sul. I am called Michou here on YouTube, which is also my channel name. I was born in Antananarivo and I am mainly from there, but I grew up in Antsirabe until I was 14. I moved here in Hawaii in 2007 when I was 15 and I've been here ever since. I moved here with my parents during high school, so I actually went to high school here, and afterwards I went to college. I went to Hilt College and I was major in sales and marketing. I graduated from college back in 2011. I am 24, I just turned 24 this month, which is March 2015. So yes guys, that's how old I am. To be honest, I actually started YouTube way back then in high school. I started a vlog channel. So I mainly started that vlog channel to speak to my viewers, my readers that were on my blog. I started as a blogger and then I started making videos because I was too lazy to type. Really, that's really why. I was too lazy to type, so I just wanted to make a video so that it was easier for them to get the information. And yeah, so I started a vlog video which was in Malagasy. So I was speaking Malagasy in my vlogs and I put it on my old blog back then. And a lot of things happened then, and then I started watching more YouTube videos as a hobby, and I watched this channel called Fafinet X, or I say Fafinet X, but it's really Fafinet X. Her name is Aubrey. She really is the reason why I started making a beauty channel. She inspires me so much of like how open she is and how easy it makes she make it look of like how to apply makeup. So I pretty much learned everything I know that is makeup related through YouTube, and starting mostly through Aubrey. So back then the reason why I searched about makeup was because I needed to do my own makeup for prom. That was my senior year, so I actually wanted to practice a lot and know what I'm supposed to do and things like that. So I pretty much learned all the basic through Aubrey. So yeah, Fafinet X is the reason why I started making my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel right now is mainly about fashion, beauty, and of course makeup. And of course I still have my vlog channel, which is called Michou's Daily Life. It's where I just vlog about random things that I do every day in life. Well, to be honest with you, I would like to do this as a career. So pretty much I want to make YouTube as my career. That's my dream job as far as right now. I do enjoy making videos for you guys. I enjoy it when people appreciate what I do, because makeup is my passion. So I love sharing it with the world. And when I get a positive feedback from my viewers, it encouraged me to do it more. So I would love to actually do YouTube as a career, a full-time job. If YouTube doesn't work out, I want to have a job where I can travel the world. So mainly like a home-based job like YouTube where I can do YouTube anywhere. So I would like either be, I don't know, travel agent, or even to pursue my singing career. I would love to do that as long as I am able to travel the world and do that job anywhere in the world. Sensitive. I'm a very sensitive person. If you grew up with me, you would know that. Even if you just meet me for like a couple of hours and we start talking, you would know that I'm a very sensitive person. I guess because I'm Pisces in a way. I don't know, but I'm just very sensitive. I take things at heart. Anything that I do, anything that people say, I take it at heart. Of course, like now that I'm older, I learn to, you know, ignore certain things. But in most part, I'm a very sensitive person. Caring. I do care a lot about others. I am a very loving person. That's how I was raised pretty much. Other than that, I would say direct or straightforward. I'm a kind of person that if I'm thinking about something, I'll tell you right away, or I'll tell you straight up. I don't really like to go around the bush. I just say it how it is, pretty much. It might be something, it might be a bad thing, but that's just how I am. I just like things simple and easy. I don't really like to complicate things. So if you know, the way for me to not complicate things is to tell you straight up, tell you how it is, then that's what I will do. I would say independent. I've been living on my own or without my parents since I was 18, so that was still like senior year of high school. So I would say I'm pretty independent that way. I try to find things that, you know, if I need something, I try to find out how to get it. I make sure that I do it myself, you know, that I go find it myself. So yeah, I would say I'm a very independent person. I don't really like to rely on others for the most part. And last but not least, I would say passionate. If I am doing something, I do it from the heart. Just like, you know, the tutorials that I do, the collab that I do on YouTube with my friends, anything that I do in regular life, you know, if I am actually doing something for a loved one, I do it from the heart. So I'm a very passionate person. I guess it ties with the sensitive person part, but yeah, I'm a very passionate person. I don't really have like a strict or straightforward life philosophy, but throughout my 24 years, I mainly learned that happiness comes from within. So nobody really can make you happy unless you're happy yourself first. You make yourself happy, then you can make others happy. So happiness comes from within. If you want something to happen, you have to do it yourself, because you cannot control anyone but yourself. So everything has to come from within. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to Gascarienne channel for featuring me again in her channel today. And thank you so much everyone for watching. If you enjoyed what you have seen of me today, feel free to check my beauty channel, which is Michou, called Michou, or maybe the link will be down there. And also my vlog channel, which is Michou's Daily Life, if you want to follow all the random things that I do every day. Alright guys, bye.
Alors pour celles qui se demandent si je me suis teint les cheveux en blonde, non, je me suis pas teint les cheveux en blonde. Ce sont juste des extensions. Voilà, j'ai voulu un tout petit peu changer pour aujourd'hui, donc voilà, je me suis mis des extensions blondes. Et d'autres aussi de couleur un peu châtain clair, ou je sais pas trop comment ça s'appelle. voilà, je voulais juste changer un tout petit peu, voilà, avoir un nouveau look. Alors après ça plaît ou ça plaît pas, voilà, écoutez, tous les goûts sont dans la nature et il faut de tout pour faire un monde. Donc voilà, pour le rouge à lèvres, alors le rouge à lèvres ça vient de Makeup Revolution. Si vous vous souvenez de mon dernier haul, Beauty Haul, donc je mets le lien en barre d'infos pour ceux qui l'ont raté. Voilà, donc ce rouge à lèvres là fait partie de ce haul. Ça s'appelle Vamp 100%, donc c'est de la collection co-collection. C'est donc de la collection Vamp de chez Makeup Revolution. Et voilà, donc j'ai voulu combiner avec ce look mèche blonde, rouge à lèvres très sombre. Je sais pas ce que vous en pensez, j'ai voulu juste le faire pour la vidéo. Je ne suis pas encore sortie avec ce rouge à lèvres là dehors. Mais laissez-moi savoir vos impressions en commentaire, je voudrais bien les lire. Je suis très ouverte à toutes les critiques constructives, donc n'hésitez pas du tout. Et puis je tiens d'ailleurs à vous remercier parce que nous sommes de plus en plus nombreux sur la chaîne et aussi sur la page Facebook. Donc je suis très contente pour ça, je vous suis très reconnaissante. Et pour ceux qui ne sont pas encore abonnés à ma chaîne, si vous aimez cette vidéo et d'autres encore qui sont présentes sur ma chaîne, alors n'hésitez pas à vous abonner et puis partager et liker également. Voilà, donc c'était tout pour aujourd'hui. Nous remercions encore une fois Michou qui a bien voulu passer dans l'émission Gascarienne Women on Top. En attendant aussi de vous retrouver avec de nouveaux invités, je vous dis prenez soin de vous. Ciao.